Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can on and off the flashlight or the torch at the Samsung Galaxy A6 launched in 2018. So very simple, just go to the shortcuts and now you have here the symbol for the flashlight or the torch. Just tap it and it will use the LED for the cam. And if you want to off it, just tap on the same symbol and it is off. So very simple. And there's another tool you can adjust the brightness of the torch. So just go on the shortcuts again, scroll down a second time, and now you have below the icon the torch written in a word or flashlight. It depends which language version you have on the phone. So just go on the written word and now you are able to change the brightness if you're on your flashlight. You can have low light, or I can put it in another level and it is much more bright. Go on done, and next time you will have it also in that brightness. And to off it, as I said, just tap on the symbol and it's off. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very nice, would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created some other videos if you're interested in. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.